start by exploring what immunological memory actually means. In simple terms, immunological memory is the ability of our immune system to remember past encounters with pathogens like viruses or bacteria. This memory allows our bodies to respond more quickly and effectively if we encounter the same invader again. It's a fundamental reason why vaccines work and why we often don't get sick from the same disease twice. Throughout this video, we'll break down how this memory forms, why it's so important, and what it means for our health. Immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend us from harmful invaders. When a pathogen enters our body, the immune system springs into action, identifying and attacking the threat. But it doesn't just fight off the current infection, it also learns from the experience. This learning process is what leads to immunological memory, setting the stage for a faster, stronger response in the future. Understanding this process is key to appreciating how our bodies keep us safe. Immunity comes in two main forms: innate and adaptive. Innate immunity is our body's first line of defense, offering a general response to invaders. Adaptive immunity, on the other hand, is more specialized. It learns to recognize specific pathogens and forms the basis of immunological memory. While innate immunity acts quickly, adaptive immunity takes a bit longer to kick in but provides lasting protection. Both types work together to keep us healthy, but it's the adaptive side that's responsible for remembering past infections. When our immune system encounters a pathogen for the first time, it launches a primary response. This involves activating specific cells that target the invader. Some of these cells become memory cells, which linger in our body long after the infection is gone. These memory cells are the key players in immunological memory. They remember the pathogen's unique features, so if it returns, the immune system can respond much faster and more effectively. This process is what makes immunological memory so powerful. These cells are a crucial part of our adaptive immune system. When they encounter a pathogen, they produce antibodies that help neutralize the threat. Some B cells become memory B cells, which remain in the body for years or even decades. These memory B cells are ready to spring into action if the same pathogen shows up again, producing antibodies much more quickly than before. This rapid response is a cornerstone of immunological memory and helps prevent repeat infection. T cells are another vital component of the immune system. There are different types of T cells, but some become memory T cells after an infection. These memory T cells patrol the body looking for signs of the same pathogen. If they detect it, they coordinate a swift and targeted attack. This ability to remember and respond quickly is essential for long-term immunity and is a major reason why some diseases only affect us once. First time our body encounters a pathogen, the immune response is called the primary response. It takes time for the immune system to recognize and fight the invader. However, if the same pathogen returns, the secondary response is much faster and stronger thanks to immunological memory. Memory cells quickly recognize the threat and launch a targeted attack, often stopping the infection before we even feel sick. This difference between primary and secondary responses is a key feature of our immune defense. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to harness immunological memory. By introducing a harmless part of a pathogen into the body, vaccines train the immune system to recognize and remember the invader. This means that if we're exposed to the real pathogen later, our immune system can respond quickly and prevent illness. Vaccines have been instrumental in controlling and even eradicating diseases, all thanks to the power of immunological memory. One fascinating aspect of immunological memory is how long it can last. For some diseases, memory cells can provide protection for a lifetime. For others, the memory may fade over time, requiring booster shots to maintain immunity. Scientists are still studying why memory lasts longer for some infections than others. Understanding the duration of immunological memory helps us design better vaccines and public health strategies. Immunological memory doesn't just protect individuals, it also helps protect entire communities. When enough people are immune to a disease, either through infection or vaccination, it becomes much harder for the disease to spread. This is known as herd immunity. Herd immunity is especially important for protecting those who can't be vaccinated, such as newborns or people with certain medical conditions. Immunological memory is the foundation of this community-wide protection. Some people wonder whether it's better to gain immunity through natural infection or vaccination. While natural infection can lead to immunological memory, it often comes with serious risks, including severe illness or complications. Vaccines, on the other hand, provide a safe way to develop memory without the dangers of the actual disease. Both routes can create memory cells, but vaccination is the safer and more controlled option. Immunological memory starts developing early in life. Childhood vaccinations are designed to introduce the immune system to various pathogens, helping children build strong and lasting immunity. As kids grow, their immune memory continues to expand, offering protection against a wide range of diseases. This early foundation is crucial for lifelong health and resilience. As we age, our immune system changes and immunological memory can weaken. Older adults may not respond as strongly to infections or vaccines as younger people do. This is why booster shots and updated vaccines are often recommended for seniors. Understanding how aging affects immunological memory helps us protect vulnerable populations and improve health outcomes for everyone. Sometimes the immune system's memory can go awry. In autoimmune diseases, the immune system mistakenly remembers and attacks the body's own tissues. This misdirected memory leads to chronic inflammation and damage. Scientists are working to understand how immunological memory contributes to autoimmunity and how we might prevent or treat these conditions in the future. Allergies are another example of immunological memory in action, but in this case, the memory is directed at harmless substances like pollen or certain foods. The immune system remembers these allergens and overreacts, causing symptoms like sneezing or rashes. Understanding the role of memory in allergies helps researchers develop better treatments and prevention strategies. Immunological memory also plays a role in cancer. Some immune cells can remember and target cancer cells, helping to keep them in check. New cancer therapies are being developed to boost this memory and help the immune system recognize and destroy tumors more effectively. This is an exciting area of research with the potential to transform cancer treatment. Some infections like HIV or hepatitis can evade the immune system and persist for years. These chronic infections challenge immunological memory, as the pathogens constantly change to avoid detection. Researchers are studying how to strengthen memory responses to better control or eliminate chronic infections, offering hope for new treatments in the future. Immunological memory isn't unique to humans. Many animals also have immune systems that can remember past infections. Studying immunological memory in animals helps scientists understand how it evolved and how it works across different species. This research can lead to new insights and applications for both human and animal health. Emerging diseases like new strains of flu or coronaviruses test the limits of immunological memory. Sometimes our immune system can recognize and respond to similar pathogens, offering partial protection. Other times, new diseases require the immune system to start from scratch. Understanding how memory adapts to new threats is crucial for preparing for future pandemics. Our genes play a significant role in shaping immunological memory. Some people naturally have stronger or longer-lasting immune memory than others, partly due to genetic differences. Scientists are exploring how genetics influence immune responses, which could lead to personalized vaccines and treatments tailored to each individual's unique biology. The environment we live in also impacts immunological memory. Factors like nutrition, stress, and exposure to different pathogens can influence how well our immune system remembers and responds to threats. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle supports strong immune memory and overall well-being. Travel exposes us to new environments and unfamiliar pathogens. Our immune system relies on memory to protect us from diseases we've encountered before, but new locations can present new challenges. Vaccinations and good hygiene practices are essential for travelers to stay healthy and avoid infections. Pregnancy brings unique changes to the immune system. Some aspects of immunological memory are temporarily altered to protect both the mother and the developing baby. Understanding these changes helps doctors provide better care and prevent infections during pregnancy, ensuring the health of both mother and child. Organ transplants present a unique challenge for immunological memory. The immune system may recognize the new organ as foreign and attack it. Doctors use medications to suppress this response, but balancing protection against infection and preventing rejection is complex. Research into immune memory is helping improve transplant outcomes. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system and impair immunological memory. Stress hormones interfere with the formation and function of memory cells, making us more susceptible to infections. Managing stress through healthy habits, relaxation, and support is important for maintaining strong immune memory. Good nutrition is essential for a healthy immune system and strong immunological memory. Nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and proteins support the growth and function of immune cells. Eating a balanced diet helps the body build and maintain memory cells, providing better protection against infections. Sleep is another important factor for immunological memory. During sleep, the body repairs itself and strengthens immune responses. Lack of sleep can weaken memory cell formation and make us more vulnerable to infections. Prioritizing good sleep habits helps keep our immune memory sharp and effective. Regular exercise supports a healthy immune system and helps maintain strong immunological memory. Physical activity improves circulation, reduces stress, and promotes the production of immune cells. Staying active is a simple and effective way to boost your body's natural defenses. Immunological memory is a cornerstone of global health efforts. Vaccination campaigns, disease eradication programs, and public health policies all rely on the principles of immune memory. By understanding and leveraging this natural defense, we can protect populations and prevent outbreaks worldwide. Advances in technology are helping scientists study immunological memory in new ways. Tools like genetic sequencing, artificial intelligence, and big data analysis are revealing how memory cells work and how we can enhance their function. These innovations are paving the way for next-generation vaccines and therapies. Personalized medicine is an emerging field that tailors treatments to each individual's unique biology. By understanding a person's immunological memory, doctors can design vaccines and therapies that work best for them. This approach promises more effective and targeted healthcare for everyone. Antibody tests can reveal whether someone has immunological memory to a particular disease. These tests detect the presence of antibodies, which are produced by memory B cells. Antibody testing is a valuable tool for tracking immunity in individuals and populations, especially during outbreaks. Booster shots are additional doses of a vaccine given to strengthen or renew immunological memory. Over time, memory cells can fade and boosters help remind the immune system how to fight specific pathogens. Regular boosters are important for maintaining protection against certain diseases. Immunotherapy is a treatment that harnesses the power of the immune system to fight diseases like cancer. Some immunotherapies work by boosting immunological memory, helping the body recognize and destroy abnormal cells. This approach is revolutionizing the way we treat certain illnesses. Controlling infectious diseases relies heavily on immunological memory. Vaccination programs, outbreak responses, and public health strategies all depend on the immune system's ability to remember and respond to threats. Strengthening immunological memory is key to preventing future epidemics. Some pathogens, like the flu virus, change their surface proteins frequently. This antigen variation can make it harder for immunological memory to recognize and respond to the invader. Scientists are working to develop vaccines that provide broader protection against these ever-changing threats. Some people have immune disorders that affect the formation or function of immunological memory. These conditions can make it harder to fight infections and respond to vaccines. Ongoing research aims to find ways to support and enhance immune memory in people with these challenges. Antibiotic resistance is a growing problem, but immunological memory offers a natural line of defense. By preventing infections in the first place, strong immune memory reduces the need for antibiotics and helps slow the spread of resistance. This highlights the importance of vaccines and healthy immune systems. Educating the public about immunological memory is essential for promoting vaccination and healthy behaviors. When people understand how their immune system works, they're more likely to take steps to protect themselves and their communities. Public awareness campaigns play a vital role in disease prevention. Immunological memory will be a key factor in responding to future pandemics. Rapid vaccine development, effective public health measures, and strong immune memory can help control outbreaks and save lives. Preparing now ensures we're ready for whatever challenges may come. The study of immunological memory continues to reveal new insights about how our bodies fight disease. Each discovery brings us closer to more effective treatments, vaccines, and public health strategies. The future of medicine is closely tied to our understanding of immune memory. Immunological memory isn't just about rare diseases or pandemics, it affects our everyday health. From fighting off the common cold to preventing serious infections, memory cells are always at work behind the scenes. Taking care of your immune system supports this vital function every day. Passing on knowledge about immunological memory to the next generation is crucial. Teaching children about vaccines, hygiene, and healthy habits empowers them to take charge of their health. A well-informed generation is better equipped to face future health challenges. Immunological memory gives us hope for a healthier future. With ongoing research, new technologies, and global cooperation, we can harness the power of our immune system to prevent disease and improve lives. The story of immunological memory is one of resilience, adaptation, and progress. To wrap up, immunological memory is a remarkable feature of our immune system that protects us from countless diseases. It's the reason vaccines work, why some illnesses only strike once, and how we can build healthier communities. By understanding and supporting our immune memory, we can all play a part in safeguarding our health and the health of those around us.